This is the science of enjoyment, any enjoyment. Whether you go and see the rising sun, setting sun, ocean, what ocean is there. If you are bothered by any other thought is there. This I am going to see Leaning Tower of Pisa. I am going to see the mountain of Alps in Switzerland. You know, when I go to Kedarnath, quite a good scene is there. They start walking and some people are so natural. See, Hamiji, what a good stream is trickling down. Wow. Oh, dekho, that bird is so nice. Arey, ye dekho, kitna acha hai. What a nice forest is there. When they walk for 6 kilometers, same stream is there, same forest is there. Amiji, how much more? Very nice forest is there, see. See that stream trickling. Arey, Amiji, don't tell me, I'm tired. अब दूसरा थॉट आ गया ना, दर्द का थॉट आ गया. Pain thought has come now. This knees pain, back pain, and still that I sat on the horse. So horse also jumped. I had more pain. I said उतर जाते हैं भाई. Then I felt already I gave the money, कुछ तो बैठ ही जाते हैं. I have given the money to this horse person. He has charged 5,000-6,000. कुछ तो पैसा वसूले इससे. ओम नमः शिवाय तो हो नहीं रहा है. अब you are after horse. Already I had a slip disc problem. So I thought, let me walk down. But I told the horse person, please walk nearby only. पास ही पास रहना. बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. 8 किलोमीटर हो गया. आखिरी के 4 में तो अच्छे से सबकी नानी याद आ जाती है. Last 4-5 kilometers, you are on towards the top. Oh my God! And if rain comes at that time, cold, rain, tiredness, all is there at that time. उस समय सीजन देखो जरा. बस, you just search another place to sit, and you mentally think, next time I won't come. इस बार तो आ गए, अगली बार नहीं आएंगे. Last time. Because thought of pain is there now. अब you went to the temple, thought of pain gone. हाँ, बोले आ गया, बोले हैं टेम्पल खुला है, बोले हाँ, बोले बाबा is there, बस. Now you are going for darshan, first time. Already mentally you think about that. That thought of pain has become smaller, thought of Lord has become bigger. And because you love Lord Shiva, therefore reflection is very high. And therefore when you see, you start crying, you say, what darshan is there? So what outer things, we don't want an object. I hope you are getting my point. ये कहानी है. Therefore, we are going to that sadhan which is going to materialize my thought which is high reflection. If you have no love, your reflection is not there. Supposing wine bottle is kept and you have no love for wine, you will only thought will be there without reflection in it. बोली किसने रख दिया है वाइन बॉटल? इसको यहाँ से. I don't want to see wine bottle only. Forget about wine. But supposing somebody is a regular drunkard, वो सोचेगा वाह क्या बात है. In this cold season, nothing wrong in taking like that. Everything in moderation is a medicine. He becomes philosopher. and then he will want that. इतना साइंस है इसमें, इतना साइंस है. अच्छा बोले आई लव दैट पर्सन. नो माय डियर, ही फुलफिल सम ऑफ योर डिजायर्स And because if ध्यान देना, you don't love a person, you love your desire. You love the desire that he is fulfilling. Well, he cooks food, therefore, or he is humble. If you have no desire for certain things and he fulfills, then you won't love that person. And therefore our priorities change in many times, and the people who are close, they become distant. And therefore, law number 4 or 3rd. First was Sukh and Sukh Sadhan. Second is we opt for Sukh Sadhan. Third is there is no joy in Sukh Sadhan. Fourth is we are after the expansion of reflection in a thought through the outer object. Bole, say slowly. We are after the expansion of the reflection in the thought through the outer object's stability. तुम हमारे पास ही रहना, हाँ, जाना मत छोड़ के. Be with me, okay? Alone I am quite afraid. डर लगता है. पास तो बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत अच्छा. हमको छोड़ना मत, कभी छोड़ना मत हमको. Don't leave me alone, okay? Yes, you be with here. कहीं कहाँ चले गए तुम? हैं? वहाँ, अरे आओ जाओ, आ रहे हैं, जल्दी आ जाओ. I put him on. I want to see him around. कहाँ है वो? This is the science behind phoning also. Very less phone are working phone. Most of phone are reflection stabilizing phone. And therefore I write something, I write poem, कुछ भी करो आप. And if your mind is very sad and thought of sadness has dominated you, and you don't have a thought with reflection, and outer thing is there, still you won't enjoy. Why? Reflection nahi hai aaj. I am very happy to see him, but today I am very sad. Already my mind is very occupied. Today I failed a lot. My boss humiliated me. No, but your lover is, I don't want to talk, don't disturb me. He said, क्या हो गया तुमको? Today reflection ही नहीं हमारे मन में तुम्हारे लिए, तो जरूरत ही नहीं तुम्हारी. अरे good food I have brought. अरे don't give me good food. My close relative has passed today. I don't want to eat something good. क्या हो गया? आज नहीं बन रहा है, thought नहीं है. He is already, traffic jam is there. Why? This pain thought is there. No, I have lost him. I have lost my very dear uncle. Very dear uncle I lost. And somebody is giving you, you wanted chow mein? No, this is chow mein. No, I don't know. क्या हो गया? अरे आज नहीं खाना ये सब. We will go for a party. No, I am not going, please. अरे but you are such a party lover person. I don't want, don't disturb me. Leave me alone. And therefore 13 days we have tarayi. And you don't go to the house. And if you go to the house, you have to be quiet. And the food is very simple. Sometimes the food is not prepared in the house also. It comes from outside. And very simple food. And even if you go, you are not supposed to eat anything, neither they will give you anything. Why? Because that thought of pain is there. I lost my father, mother, child. मातम हो गया उनके घर में. Then for 1 year there is no festivals in Hindus celebrated. बोले दिवाली नहीं होगी, दशहरा नहीं होगा. क्यों? उसकी याद आती है हमें. That thought will interrupt you. 1 साल मना लो जितना तुमको दुख है, जिससे एग्जॉस्ट हो जाए वह दुख. Cry as much and finish that matter. This is the science of joy. Coming deeper now. सुख किसका है? If reflect, Sukh is not the dharma of the thought. Because same thought does not give me joy. I was very happy to see the relishing food. But moment my stomach was full, thought was there, reflection was not there. Therefore thought is not of the nature of joy. There is a self which is reflected in the thought that gives me the joy. And therefore I will go back Sukh is the nature of the Atma. I am moving gradually. I hope you will slowly go inside. Let me come back. There are two things, Sukh and Sukh Sadhan. Point number one, rule number one. Rule number two, we accumulate Sukh Sadhan and not the Sukh. Money, clothes, relative, wife, husband, job, house, they are Sukh Sadhan. Point number three, Sukh Sadhan is for a time being, we drop it. Point number four, actually any Sukh is mithya outside, because any Sukh born out of many things, you cannot say Sukh of food because it is a combination, it is mithya. Outside, the thought that things are giving me Sukh is a misnomer, it's a mithya. Next point. Actually speaking, when you have a vasana or a desire, you have a high reflection of the self in the thought, and therefore you fantasize. And to make that thought wider and permanent, you want an object outside. Five or six, जो कुछ भी हो. Oh. And therefore, next point, because it is a reflection, thought, even the thought doesn't have a nature of joy. Therefore, one who is behind the thought, that self, is of the nature of joy. That gives the reflection. But why it gives the reflection to that thought which has joy? Because when you have a vasana, that thought becomes very close to the self because of ignorance. And in the ignorance, the reflection is very strong, like in the deep sleep. Because thing has a joy is a thought of ignorance. If only thought was there, no problem. It won't go closer to the self. It will not go to the Anandmay Kosh. But this wood has a joy, this person has a joy. All these are ignorance statement. And that thought comes closer to the self because it is ignorance. Ignorance is closer to the self. Then after that. And the reflection is very high. And therefore conclusion is, joy is the nature of the self. आप पक्का कर लेना, क्या बोले? बोले बट आई डोंट फील इट. देखो फिर फीलिंग की बात की है तो प्लीज कीप द फीलिंग्स अवे व्हेन यू आर डिसाइडिंग अबाउट द ट्रुथ. फीलिंग, व्यवहार, आई लाइक, आई डोंट एक्सपीरियंस, ऑल दिस इज नो मैटर. Gurudev used to tell a story. Some Pandit was there who had golden Murti, Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Hanuman ji. He got very poor. So he said, I have to sell. So he first sold Lakshman ji. बोले क्या रेट है? बोले इतना तोला है. Then he sold by Sita Ram. बोले कुछ हाई रेट लगा दो इसका. सीताराम जी की मूर्ति बहुत. बोले भाई देखिए, आई एम वेइंग द गोल्ड, आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद द सीताराम. अब सीताराम चले गए उनके. अब आखिरी में हनुमान जी बचे. अब रोने लगे. बोले इनको भी देने, इनका तो रेट अच्छा लगाओ. हनुमान जी इज मोस्ट डियर, इनका तो अच्छा है, फीलिंग्स तो समझो हमारी तुम. बोले गोल्ड स्मिथ, सुनार, हमारी भावना तो समझो तो. यू अंडरस्टैंड माई फीलिंग फॉर हनुमान जी. Goldsmith said, I don't know your feeling. I'm only concerned about the measurement and the present rate. Gurudev used to dramatize it a lot. Dramatization, mimic was his mastery. अब ये हमको अच्छा लगता है, वो अच्छा लगता है, ये सब बात थोड़ी देर के लिए पार्क कर दो आप. When we are deciding about the truth, be very deadly honest. कुछ मिलाने मत देना बीच में. हम किसी को भी नहीं आने देंगे. ये अपनी कहानी है. क्या होगा? But our conviction is joy is in the person. We don't think he is a means of fulfilling my desire, which I have joy. I feel he is the joy. Wow. Wow, wow. That person will go away, you will be in sorrow. This is the last point. Last or penultimate. My wife has lot of joy. बहुत सेवा करती है हमारी साहब. बहुत सेवा किया उसने. अच्छा? She really is equal to joy. ऐसा है? हाँ. You won't understand Swami. You are Swamiji. Therefore you became Swamiji. You all have no heart, etc. No, you think about all these things, therefore you became like that. I am a normal person. Achha, that means I am abnormal. You had a desire to get importance and get attention and get joy from somebody, right? This thought was prominent and everybody has. And this thought, when you think she gave this thought which you wanted, therefore in her presence, your reflection is very big and bright. You are not enjoying her, you are enjoying the reflection of the consciousness in her thought. बोले फिर दुख क्यों होगा, बार बार क्यों करें दुख होगा? Because you can't say how long she will be there and no wife can serve every day like same. उसका भी मूड होता है, वो भी आदमी है, मशीन नहीं है. Even machine needs shutdown. Today she is not in good mood. बोले why are you, Sheelu, you are not smiling today? No, it's okay. What happened? No, it's okay. What happened? Now I am giving you the tea, no? But why are you talking like this? You never used to talk like this. What happened today? Has somebody said something? No. Please don't talk to me for some time. अरे ये क्या हो गया? Then I scroll the old messages. Janu, you are everything in my life. Without you, like the sun is without the rays. I'm scrolling all the messages. अब उसको पढ़ के और दुख हो रहा है. And she has shut the door. I am calling and phone is off. हमको डर लगा क्या हो गया भाई, लड़कियों का चक्कर क्या कर लें. अब हम नॉक कर रहे हैं. I'm knocking. And she opened. She said, "What is the matter? Are you okay?" "Yes." "Leave me for 1 hour." "You will be without me or happy?" "Yes." Leave me. That desire is not fulfilled. अब ये महाराज गए बड़ी चिंता में, चाय रखी सब कुछ, लेकिन ये नहीं आ रहा है. Now thought of pain has come now. You know what is sorrow? Sorrow तो सुख का बच्चा है. दुख सुख भाई भाई नहीं है. जहां से सुख मिलेगा वहीं से दुख मिलेंगे. ये दुख सुख भाई भाई नहीं है, ध्यान देना. Where I wanted joy, there I am not getting, then sorrow comes. Because if somebody had not given me joy, he cannot give you sorrow. Because he gave me joy, then he stopped. That is what my problem is. Then the sorrow came, because that reflection, there is no hope. I have lost that reflectivity. I feel I will not get that again. Therefore, in the anatma, love with the anatma, because I told you, no, the joy of the anatma is a combination. अब वो वाइफ थी, उसके बाद भी कुछ न्यूज़ आ गई होगी, हेडेक हो गया होगा, कोई पिछली बात याद आ गई होगी, समथिंग ऑफ द पास्ट में बी रिमेंबर्ड. मन माइंड है आदमी का भाई. यू आर डीलिंग विद द ह्यूमन बीइंग विद अ कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग. सम न्यूज़ ही गेट्स, with so much of electronic gadget, bombardment of news is there. Bad news, sad news, good news, कुछ भी हो गया होगा. In the combination, one thing is disturbed and you are gone. Your reflection is not now permanent. And supposing you have the habit of getting reflection from somebody and a bigger thought, he doesn't give, then it is more disastrous. Then you lose all of a sudden, as if सब धरती खिसक गई हमारे यहाँ, पैर के नीचे से जमीन ही चली गई. और सपोजिंग समथिंग इज देयर विच लीव्स फॉर एवर, तब तो फिर अब रिफ्लेक्शन है, थॉट है, तब तो जिंदगी भर रो. वाई? बिकॉज दैट थॉट इज स्टिल देयर एंड सेंस ऑफ जॉय इज स्टिल देयर, बट देयर इज, आई एम श्योर आई वोंट गेट दैट. अब इससे और दुख होता है. आई हैव इंप्रेशन विदाउट एक्सप्रेशन इज डिप्रेशन. You have impression, but no expression, then go to depression. You know what is attachment? सबकी कहानी सुन लीजिए आप, through Vedantic eyes. हमको लगता है ना वेदांत इज वेरी ड्राई, हमारे जीवन से क्या लेना देना है इसका? We think what this has to do with our life. Then what it has to do with our life? With your life, with your everything is for you. What are you talking? What is attachment? Attachment is nothing but with a certain desire. It is the insistence to maintain the thought with a high reflectivity with the help of some person outside. It is a insistence. आप आए, अच्छा लगा, चला गया हमारा, कोई, आई एम नॉट टू मच इंसिस्टेंट, स्टिल माई जॉय इज देयर. बट विद अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, पर्टिकुलर एक्शन, पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, पर्टिकुलर ग्रैंडसन, आई हैव डेवलप्ड सच ए स्ट्रॉन्ग थॉट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिविटी, सच ए स्ट्रॉन्ग थॉट ऑफ जॉय, such a thought, such a big thought of ignorance that he has joy. It is a bigger ignorance that this person has joy, this food has joy. This is called attachment. Our attention is not on the thought. Ordinary person doesn't know thought, doesn't know reflection of the thought, doesn't know the Atma. तीन तो उसके लिए छिपा हुआ है. He is only focusing on the outer person. इसमें बहुत सुख है, बड़ा आनंद है, बड़ा मजा है साहब, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना. अब वही है हमारे लिए, सब कुछ वही है. And what is hatred? Where I was attached, somebody obstructed that attachment. Then anger comes. Then burning thought comes. Hatred is a child of attachment. Dukh is a child of attachment. इसकी बहुत बड़ा परिवार है, कभी बताएंगे इसके फैमिली में कौन कौन है. तो बीच बीच में एक दो आते हैं बच्चे कच्चे. Last, we love the most whom? We love ourselves most. We don't love, ये बड़ा important principle है. I don't love this watch because this watch gives me the time whenever I want. Therefore, I love this watch. Moment this watch gives right time only twice a day, that means that watch will be redundant. You know, you put on warm clothes. हम लोग स्वेटर पहन लेते हैं. Moment it becomes hot, you drop it. Okay. So whom you can't drop, and I am. You are not coming to hear because talk gives you joy. Therefore you hear. Because talking gives me joy, therefore I am talking. So all my action is for one I inside. I love that I most, but I am very humble because humility gives you joy. But I sacrifice everything because sacrifice gives you joy. Don't forget that. But I do puja because puja gives you joy, my dear. Therefore you love that I the most. And anything which you love, it is a source, it has a nature of joy. Because two formula. Anything you love I most, And anything which you love should give you joy. Therefore, because there is a lot of joy there, therefore you love that I. And therefore I has maximum joy. And anybody who loves that I, you love that person also. You don't love a person. This is a misconception. We don't love a person. We love I in you. I see myself in you. Which I? Which I love me. I see myself in you. I love that I. हम अपने आप को आपके अंदर देख लेते हैं. In your eyes I see you. In your eyes I see myself. In your heart I see myself. This is called loving. I hope this is clear. Now what this thing, with these 5-6 formulas, you will have a better and clear picture of this mantra. I am repeating it again. In this word, Sukh and Sukh Sadhan is there. Point number 2. We go after Sukh Sadhan and not the real Sukh. Point number 3. After Sukh Sadhan, or point number 2 you can put it. After Sukh Sadhan is over, I drop the Sukh Sadhan. Next point. Joy in the outer world is a combination of joy. Therefore that is a mithya joy. Next point. Joy happens because of vasana in a thing. Because of the vasana, reflection is very bright, and therefore we enjoy the reflected thought. And therefore I wanted to extend my reflection and give reality to my reflection. Next point. Outer object will always give sorrow because that combination is not in my hand. Next point. Atma is of the nature of joy because I love the Atma most. And wherever I love, it should be of the nature of joy. There is not a time where I don't love the Atma. I sleep because I love sleeping. I am only doing for myself. I am eating for myself. I am listening for myself. I am talking for myself. I am walking for myself. I am doing puja for myself. I am meditation for myself. इतना प्यार है तुम्हारा? हाँ. Everything is for myself. Yes. That means we are all selfish. No. Selfish is the one who does it for the wrong self, for a small self, bodied self. And sadhak and bhakt, they do for embodied self. They do for God. That self which is God. They do for limitless self. Those who work for limitless self, they are seeker and bhakt. And those who do for their body self, they are called selfish people. But that means a person cannot love. No. The Jnani alone can love. Why? Because he can see everyone, himself in everybody. Atmaupamena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi parmomata. But supposing what ordinary person is doing? ये तो ordinary person वो भानुमति का कुनबा जोड़ रहे हैं वो. He is searching for a son. Son से सुख मिलेगा, उसका अच्छी तबीयत होनी चाहिए. You don't want a person, you don't want a diseased son. You don't want a son who is buddhu, you want an intelligent son. You want a son who is bright, who is intelligent, who is good looking, who is good in studies, who is good in talking, whom I can afford my school fees also, who is honest with me. You want a big combination, you don't know what you want. You don't want any object. You want a big paraphernalia around that object. You want a big system with that person. You don't want a wife. Then I want a wife who serves, who cooks good, who talks good, who even if I am angry, she should not reply back. And who should be there with everywhere I go? Who should tolerate my ups and downs? Who should serve my father, mother? इतना कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए आपको. अच्छा. And therefore joy is very difficult in this world, because it is difficult to get all combination with all people and with all work which you are associated with. And one thing she does not do, well, she doesn't serve my father. All सब अच्छा है उसके अंदर, but my father, mother she doesn't like. That one issue will always prick you. Well, all अच्छा है, but she is very moody. When she is very happy, she is very nice. But you know, her mood and weather cannot be predicted. So this is where I get, when I come in the house, first I see her face, is it she okay? And I'm quite aware that I will not make her, furiated on any issue. इसीलिए संसार में दुख ही दुख। क्यों? आप परमानेंट करना चाह रहे हो ना कोई रिफ्लेक्शन को, एंड टू मेक अ रिफ्लेक्शन परमानेंट यू नीड अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मेनी फैक्टर्स। नहीं मिलेगा। This is, it is said here, let me read this. Tad etat preyah. Okay. Tad etat, this word has come earlier. That this, who entered also. That this, preyah. Preyah means, it is a comparative degree. Preyah means, it is a joyful. Preyah, from whom? Putrat. Then the son, this eye is more dear than the son. Vittat, than the money. Anyasmat, with anything it is prayer. Son is good as long as he doesn't disrespect me. If son disrespects you, every day he talks badly to you, you know what, when he is grown up, you know what he will say? Please live somewhere else. Ho gaya. I have seen many houses like that. Son is drunk every night. Father, he is shouting on the father. Father said, I will not going to give you any assistance, no money, please make your own arrangement. 31st is the last date. देखते हैं यही सब याद आता है. Because he is not giving the source of I. Vittat, Anyasmat, Sarvasmat. Sarvasmat, with everything. Who? Pray, this I is dearest. Well done. And then it is said, Antartaram, who? Yad ayam atma. This is closest. How do you know something is closest? Less medium is called closer. Bole, I am close to that person. When you say, no, he is very close to that person, don't talk everything to him. You know why? He will share it with him. He will tell everything he will tell to him there. And don't talk about him to that person. He will immediately share it. Why? He is very close. Why? Mediums are not there. His thought becomes his thought. And when you say, no, we are not that close, some issue, that means some issue came up between me and him. वो बात नहीं रही. Once upon a time, Swamiji, we were very close. Then what happened? Now we are distant. Something came up in between. Yes. Some topic came up. So one, you know, without any medium is the self. And therefore it is written here, Antartaram. Sahaya. Now, this person who has this knowledge, he tells to that person who has not knowledge. So this person who has this knowledge, he is called Atmavadi. And he tells to that person who has no knowledge about that Atma has joy. He says, Sahaya, Atmana Priyambru, Atmana, Anyam, other than the self. See the anvay here. Atmana Anyam will go like that. He says, no, joy is outside. Joy is in money. Joy is in family. So, Priyam Bruvanam. This is Bruvanam is called Shanach Pratyan Shatru Pratyastya. So, who is talking like that? To that person who has the Jnani is saying, Sahaya Bruyat. He is saying, Priyam Rotsyasi. Well, whom you are loving a lot, he'll make you cry. Priyam Rotsyati. Rud dhatu is there. Rudri has also come from Rud dhatu. After that, full stop. After Rotsyati, iti. Well, he will make you cry. Why? Object won't be there. Your impressions are not getting expression and you have no hope of getting expression. So that thought which was there, now another thought is coming, I won't get this joy. Therefore, I am nothing. हम एकदम डूब ही गए. ऐसा लग रहा है, खाली लग रहा है एकदम से. चक्कर आ रहा है थोड़ा सा. क्या हो रहा है? व्याकुलता हो रही. पानी लाओ जरा सा. Get me water. What happened? ऐसा लग रहा है घूम रहा है. अरे घूम कुछ नहीं रहा है. That I which wanted lot of joy, वो बेहोश हो गया इसके साथ. He has gone now. अंदर की कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस स्टोरी इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. क्यों? लग रहा है सब खत्म हो गया हमारा. People say such words. Somebody has passed away or somebody is left. बोले सब खत्म हो गया हमारा, कुछ नहीं बचा. किसके लिए जिए? For whom to live? Everything is lost. हम क्यों हैं यहाँ पे? What for I am here? I think I should also die. ऐसा कुछ पर्पस नहीं है. There is no purpose. That thought, one identity who was very strongly attached, it shows now I will never get joy. This identity, this I is now thinking I will never get joy, and without joy how can I live? Because that person is not there. He was the only source of all joy. He is not thinking this identity is only a drop. This ocean available behind. You don't need this. उसके बिना भी तुम अच्छे से रह सकते हो. This second mantra, please note, is telling the importance of the Atma of the last mantra. For them Padniyam word had been mentioned to tell how important is this bigger self, whose little reflection you are enjoying. Little reflection. Like the baby is there, you give the chocolate. He eats with the wrapper. And in between he gets little of, his teeth has broken some wrapper, cut, and he's very happy. And he doesn't know that the chocolate without wrapper, what is chocolate without wrapper. So we are also having wrapperized joy. And many wrappers we have. Thought, reflection, desh, kal, sharir. Many wrappers. And little joy we are jumping. More we will see tomorrow.